Our range of texture modified meals are really special for people with swallowing difficulties. We have a great range. We've got lots of your favourites or your classics, kind of roast meats, as well as your slightly less classical meals like curries. So we do feel that on that level we can appeal to lots of different people that are living with dysphagia. We're constantly developing in this range of products, so it's a very innovative area for our business. We're working with healthcare professionals across different settings such as healthcare and care homes to understand what their patients need and to improve their quality of life. We aren't only focusing on nutrition, we've got a heavy focus on how the meals look, how they appear and how they smell, because we want to help people living with dysphagia to maintain or improve their quality of life. And so we're always looking at innovative new ways to improve our molds or to improve the appearance of those meals, with recent developments having our chips, for example, looking like they've been lightly browned. So we're always working on innovative ways to improve the appearance of those meals to help people dine with dignity, whether they're living with dysphagia or not.